Hey. Hey. Get up. We gotta move. Come on. I know you didn't get that much sleep, but we gotta move. We stay in this clearing too long and we're gonna get turned into shambling, brain-eating monsters. You want that? No? Then let's get moving. Everything is already packed. Just get your sleeping bag rolled up while I put out this fire. Good. Get a move on. You know, you say that every morning. I guess I'm just constantly grumpy. Maybe you're too optimistic. We don't even know if anything is in this next town, let alone if it's hospitable or has any food. I am aware we aren't going to starve, because I was smart enough to gather a shitload of MREs at the base before we bolted. Can you just pack it up so we can go? Jesus. You finally ready? Good. Let's go then. So, according to the map, we are about 3 miles south of that hole in the wall your brother suggested. As long as we don't run into any trouble, we should be fine. I mean, there's relatively little horde activity this far outside majorly populated areas. It's not unheard of, obviously, but that's why we have rifles. But for lone wanderers, we can just use the bows. You'll be fine. You weren't talking about you. I know. Look, he's probably fine. Your brother is one of the most competent people I know, even before all this. Yes, I am aware that you don't fight zombies at Ren fairs, but he did fight people, and I'm significantly more scared of people than zombies right now. Why? Well, think about it. With zombies, they're predictable. They hear you, they smell you, they go after you, they kill you, they eat your brains. And then the cycle repeats. All you have to do to avoid that is take out the head. With humans, they're unpredictable. Yeah, they are. Someone could say, "Oh, we're here to offer you shelter and food and community." And then they turn around and chop you up for food. Or they could just raid your base and take all of your shit for no other reason than power and greed. Humans are unpredictable, and that's why I never liked them, even before all of this. Of course I miss certain people. But, I mean, I'm with you and your brother. You guys are pretty much the only people I really talked to. Yeah, tease me all you want. Huh? What? Hey, I never said I liked our situation. I miss a lot of things. In fact, you know what I really miss? I miss arcades. Yes. Like, just good old-fashioned arcades. Where you could go in, pay a few bucks, play games and stuff, win tickets, and fawn over really shitty prizes that you could get off Amazon for way cheaper. God, I miss that. Alright, well, what do you miss? Huh. Yeah. I guess I miss that too. You know what else I miss? I miss brownies. No, not those kind. I mean, yeah, I miss that kind too, but I miss real brownies. Just good, gooey, chocolatey brownies. Oh. Oh, you miss pizza. Yeah, I could go for a pizza right about now. Listen, as much as I am enjoying the small talk, we should probably keep quiet the closer we get to the town. We don't want to attract any unwanted attention. Okay, inside. Quick. There. That should make a good barricade. As long as we keep the windows boarded and keep ourselves quiet, we'll be alright. Yeah, there were only a few out there. They didn't smell us, and luckily we were quiet, so I think we'll be alright. Yeah, I'm surprised this place isn't rated too. Must have been closed before the world went to hell or something. Look around. See if any of the food is still good. I'll check behind the counter, see if they have any meds back here. Holy shit. Hey, they've got everything back here. Penicillin, insulin, pain meds, birth control. Holy shit. Oh my god, they have... Holy shit, Biscuit. God, I wish I was a pharmacist and I could figure out how old these are. God, I have no idea if any of these are still expired or not. What? Take it. Why? We don't need any of this. Because if we get, I don't know, stopped by crazies, they're gonna kill us for this stuff. Rumors of a settlement? What are you... You heard on a radio at the base that there's a settlement? What did I tell you about people? They could eat you. Hey, I didn't... Look, all I'm saying is that we need to be careful. What? You think your brother might be there? Shit, listen, I don't want to lose you too, okay? Yes, I am serious. I don't want to lose you too. I meant it when I said I was glad I have you. And if you go missing or worse, I couldn't... Shit! Come on, grab the meds, we gotta go. I don't know how they got in here, but we gotta go. Come on, get the stuff and let's go. Come on. Shit. No, back behind here. There's a horde. What we're gonna do, you're gonna go that way, I'm gonna go this way. We're gonna go around the town and meet me in the edge of the forest, okay? It'll be fine. You have your rifle, you have your axe, and you have your bow. You will be okay. Just meet me on the edge, okay? You're gonna be fine. Go. Are you okay? Are you bitten? I didn't hear any shots. You saved all the arrows? Oh, good. Thank God. Okay, we need to move. I don't know. I don't know. I was gonna plan in the pharmacy, but now I don't know. What? Go to the... Oh, fuck. No, you're right. It is kind of our only option. If there's a settlement, we should go there. All right, we'll head that way. Where do we need to go? Yeah, sure. Here's the map. There. Oh, shit, that's... Oh, God, that's gotta be a 3 days walk at least. No, it's fine. We can do it. We just better get moving.